Morning everybody, Sue Girl here, how you all doing? Well, I've learnt by my mistakes again today. Was trying to just, you all know my birds were like turkeys. Back garden, I don't have races, I don't have shows. So I was just feeding them, I was enjoying them, coming out and sitting in my garden. I've been like that for August before I go to them. I get 8 birds in August, 3 were no wheel, and 3 of them died, which left me 5. This season, this breeding season here has really been my first breeding season, and it's not been too good, to be honest. Wait, I'll get one out to show you. I buy these nest pads. I buy these, and what I do is I get my nest ball and push this down and mould it into it. Where the warmer weather been there, I thought, right, I'll no need the straw, the hay, whatever it's called. I'll no need that. Wrong, Kirsten. Big mistake. You do need that, because that stops your eggs rolling out the nest. I've realised with just these, I've come in today, went to look at Blazing Shadows eggs to candle them to see how far along they were, and there was only one there. I was like, what the f... Just went on here, scanning my flare. No eggshell, no wet bit on the growth granules. So I'm like, right, so sorry Blaze, who's a root? There's a wee egg sitting in the corner. So definitely, once I clean the hut today, I'm definitely going to be putting some more straw and hay in their nest bowls, because when I was using them, I didn't have fodder. I've not put any in because I thought it's warmer weather, they don't need it. They do need it for safety for their eggs. This is another bummer lesson that I'm learning. Wee Jenny, I showed you our 2 chicks the other day there. The wee cut in the back. I've no longer got that one. That wee one's passed away. We had been a single mum. I think she's been struggling feeding the 2 of them. And feeding herself, obviously, she's maybe. So the stronger one at the 2 has been coming up all the time. I did notice the wee ridgeon was growing at a different rate. It didn't have the same feather plumage coming through as the wee black one. And I was starting to say to myself, maybe I should start bringing that vegan in. Come on in then, Freddie. Maybe I'll just get it in the... Come on, Freddie. There you go. I'll start bringing... That was Freddie went in the loft. I'll start bringing that vegan in and getting a wee horn feed and bringing it out in just to help her. But I've been too late because I've come out this morning. Flame, move. I've come out this morning and the wee thing's passed. So the wee thing's passed, I've lost... That was Flame. The wee thing's passed, I've lost an egg. Storming or Sunrise and Flame, they were on 2 eggs. I've locked in there. Let me see again. Oh, there is now only 1 egg and it's not in the box. It is definitely not on my floor. I'm not having much luck. That's Flame walking by these. This is 63, the wee basket case. The wee basket case. Aye, still squawking. Still squawking. Still squawking. I'm kind of gutted about that, folks, but this is all learning curves for me. It's things... I know it's a horrible phrase, learn by your mistakes, but at the end of the day, it's still a wee life that's getting taken away. So it is, and it doesn't feel very nice. Can you see there? Freddie's got a black tail. Can you see it? I thought. My hair, as you can, is a mass of orange curls. Wearing it, no, I don't like them on my head now. Because she had my hair cuddled dinner. And it was wrapped in a wee fit and I was trying to get it off, but a wee fit was cut. And I put it in a chopstick, no chopstick, sorry, a toothpick. Snapped it into wee bits, a bit of cotton wool, and I tied it down for a week, sprayed it with that stuff, but it did attach it back together, but it's turned black, so I know it is eventually going to fall off, but she's alright. I thought I had made a video about it when it happened, but I've obviously been in that much of a panic. It's no. They're hungry, they're needing fed. They're needing fed because I'm just out. But another wee thing I'll show you. Sometimes it's no all glamour pigeon life, is it, folks? In you get, Rido, you're not coming out. In, that's it. That's Freddie, that's alright. I'll turn these round this way. About the tree damage, as you can see, I don't know if you can see the branches that I've lopped off. I've got myself some drain pipe and dowling. I've started putting up the pipe, so I'm going to run that right along to here, and then the drain pipe will come down and then put it onto the stains, and hopefully that will solve that problem. I'll put some sealant in my wee joints. But I'm going to get them all fed, so get the loft tidied up. See Jenny in there using the perch. See her sitting in the wee perch. She's the first one I've seen to use it. So I'm just going to crack on. Give them a good feed. Well, I'll give them half a feed. I'll let them out so they're still a wee bit hungry, so I can get them back in, and then I'll give them a good feed. I'm going to stop letting my birds out twice a day. They're wee tumblers, they don't need it twice a day. Yeah, they don't. They really don't. I'm just setting myself up for more dangers all the time. I need to maybe try and keep them in till after 4 o'clock and let them out. Maybe even later than that. Because I don't want to lose any more. No, I don't. I really don't. But let's crack on with the day. Keep myself boosted, folks. TTR, good luck for the day. I know you're releasing birds this morning for your race because it got changed, so good luck for that, for you and Madge. Everybody else, hope you are having a great day and go and enjoy your pigeons.